Amazon Bedrock is a very, very important service in AWS because it will help you to use foundational models. So, Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service by AWS that lets you build and scale generative AI applications using foundational models. It provides access to top foundational models like Cloud, Titan, Mistral via an API. No need to manage infrastructure. What are foundational models? So, foundational models are large scale AI models trained on vast data sets that can perform a wide range of tasks. Example, text generation, image generation, summarization, and the type of models are Cloud, Titan. Visual flow, how you are going to invoke a model. So, Amazon Bedrock is a platform for accessing and deploying foundational models. Foundational models, core AI brains behind it. Visual flow, first we will have foundational models. Those foundational models are already there in the form of applications in Bedrock. And then we can directly go and use these applications. So let's go and see how to invoke a AI model. So first I will go to Amazon Bedrock. After going to Amazon Bedrock, you have to go to model catalog and you need to see that what all models are allowed for you. Let's suppose there is a model, so there are model providers. So model providers like AI21, Amazon. Let's suppose I would like to enable a model of Amazon. So if I want to enable a model of Amazon, let's suppose I would like to enable Nova Sonic. Nova Prime Premier is already available for me. Let's suppose I would like to enable it. So I will click on three dots. I will click on model access. And then I will click on modify model access. And then I will choose that this is the model which I want to be available. Let's suppose Nova Sonic. And then I have to request Amazon to allow me as soon as I will request. So you can see that it is actually request has been submitted. So it will give me the model access. So in the meanwhile, we will get the model access. Let's go and see how you can actually go and use these models. So let's suppose I would like to use a model which is known as Nova Premier, let's suppose. So if I'll go to the model, I can go and open it in the playground. And let's suppose I would like to use chat or single prompt. I would like to go with chat. And let's suppose I will ask a query, give me some use cases of AI in medical. So if you'll ask any questions like this, so you can see Bedrock is answering and you can see you got the answer. So actually it is answering like ChatGPT. So how your model is trained, it will be able to answer you.